Hey there, awesome folks. This is Mentor Shelly, wanting to make sure that you become a better version of yourself professionally. I want you guys to know that the book is coming along and it will be released very soon. Of course, I still have to put some finishing touches on some of the additional materials that need to be added to it. Just want to make sure, see, it's not in the car today. It's not in the car. The video is not in the car today. I do want to, just talk to you guys today about something important on your resume. The resume has about 6 or 7 different pieces that need to be added to it for it to be relevant, for it to be able to be used in this economy, for it to be useful, for it to work for you as the marketing tool that it is designed to be. I want to make you aware that accomplishments need to also be on there. I talked about summary of qualifications before in a previous video, and I'm probably going to have a link below or above somewhere along these lines as far as where that video and things of that nature. I want you to be aware that your accomplishments need to match the job that you're applying for, and also line up with the position that you're applying for, because what's the point of putting an accomplishment in there and it has nothing to do with the job? You do have to have a list of accomplishments of things you've done that is going to not only impress the future employer, but is also going to impress other companies that that you're applying for a position. Let's say, for example, you're applying for a sales position, and you put on there you exceeded your sales goal by 30% when you worked in XYZ company and you did these things. So it all depends on how you would phrase that. I'm going to go in depth as far as how you should write the accomplishments and what you should do, that to give you an idea. And of course, I talk about these things in the book as well. It may be geared towards teenagers, but adults that are going through career changes can definitely use the information in that book as well on how to put a resume together. It's just one of the elements. We talk about summary of qualifications, and I'm talking about accomplishments. A lot of times people don't put accomplishments on their resume because they think it's not going to do any good for them. If it's applying to the position, or if it applies to the position and relates to the position in any way, shape, or form, adding a few 2 or 3 accomplishments is going to definitely help you. That way they know that you don't just have the knowledge, you're not just a robot doing things, you're actually looking to, you actually have used the information that you know, or the information that you learned to accomplish something above and beyond what you normally do in your regular job duties. These are some of the things that we go over. And of course, if you're looking to get your resume revised, or you're looking to get your resume reviewed to make sure that it has all the components, including accomplishments, then I do have a resume review service where you can go to MentorShelly.com/tools review. And I pretty much go over resumes, cover letters, letters of recommendation, and other career tools that you have, making sure that they're working for you. And I'll pretty much give you a written review with that particular service. Now, if you're looking to truly either completely restructure or create your new resume, then I do offer resume services. You can go to MentorShelly.com/resume-services to get your resume completely redone, or to create your resume. And of course, that also comes with a phone consultation, so we can go through what it is you're looking for your resume to do and what you're looking for your resume to accomplish for you. Just like the accomplishments on the resume, you want your resume to accomplish its goal, which is to market you well in the marketplace, to be able to attain or use it to market your skills, qualifications, and education base, so you can attain the right career opportunities. All right, guys, take care. And of course, if you have other suggestions as far as videos are concerned, you want to leave a comment below this video, or you can go to MentorShelly.com/contact, where you can leave me a voicemail or an email message, and I'm more than happy to return your voicemail or an email within 24 hours, guys. Take care, and of course, you can connect with me here on YouTube. You can also connect with me on Instagram.com/MentorShelly, on my Facebook page at Facebook.com/MentorShelly. MentorShelly and with an S and then place, MentorShelly's place, or on Twitter.com at MentorShelly. Or you can also email me at MentorShelly3@gmail.com for connection. Or you can go to my MentorShelly.com/contact page and leave me a voicemail or an email message. So either of those ways, you can contact me and you can get in touch with me so we can connect, have a conversation, and see how I can help you to become a better version of yourself professionally, especially with these resumes and other marketing tools that you'll be using to either garner your next career opportunity or get ready to become a business entrepreneur. All right, guys, take care. You have a good one. Bye.